Hey there, this is Mateo Garcia with Be Nice Media, and recently I've been asked that, how do you build your cash buyers list, or what's the best way to go about doing it? This is one of my customers that I work with, A to B Invest. Right on their website, they have a Join Our Buyers List tab, and right here is basically a contact form where people who want to join their buyers list can complete, and once it's completed, it feeds right into their Podio account under their contacts app. You don't need to necessarily have a full website, but you do want to have some sort of landing page or some sort of contact form where if people do complete, or people do want to join your cash buyers list, there's a way that they can sign up for it. I'm going to go ahead and just do an example here real quick just to show you how it works. I'm going to say I'm an investor. Areas interest of Phoenix. This can all be customized. This is actually a Podio form that was embedded onto the website here. And I'm going to hit submit. Okay, and basically right here on their Podio, I just got a notification a new contact was made. I'm going to refresh this. And here I am as a contact here. A lot of this, once again, is all automated, or once they fill out this, the buyer form, it goes right into Podio, then they get a text and an email thanking them for joining our buyers list. I'm going to look over here over the past 30 days, how many people have completed this form, how many were manually added. So over the past 30 days, there's been 41 new contacts added. And what we can do is check out if it was created by contacts. That means this app created this contact manually based off of this form being completed. Then there's other ones here that were contact added by myself. But over the past 30 days, there's been one. Let's see here, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 new contacts that basically requested to be added to our buyers list from the overall website. And how we get these buyers is promoting this page, via social media, post it on your Facebook page, post it on your Twitter account, share it on Instagram. So, this is a quick little way. So, if you're an investor, you got to be sure you have some sort of landing page or some sort of website or a form where you can have investors complete, and then it basically loads right into your CRM system so you can start marketing these customers when you have a wholesale deal. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I put a link down below for a Podio sign up. If you're looking for text messaging, there's a link there as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.